Hi students and welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about class 7 chapter number 4, that is simple equation. Today I will discuss about chapter number 4 exercise 4.2. 4.1 I already discussed that one. This video already having in our channel. Okay, you can watch the video for exercise 4.1. Today I will discuss exercise 4.2. So take out your book, that is exercise 4.2. First question is what? That is first question is give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Okay, I already pick up the question in the blackboard. Okay, give first the step you will use to separate the variables and then solve the equation. Means you have to at first you have to write the step what you will do. That one you have to at first write the step what you will write here. See, the equation is 1 x minus 1 equals to 0. It is his left part and it is right part of the equation. Okay, for solving the equation we have to find the x value. But here in with the x 1 minus 1 having, so we have to remove the minus 1. How we have to remove the minus 1? Okay, that is the step. What I will do, if I write here minus 1 and here 1 is minus, if I do here 1 add, okay, we know that one which one is subtraction. If I this number add, then it will be 0. That's why for vanishing the minus 1 we have to add 1. That's why I will write the step. What I will write add 1. First step is what? Add 1 on both side. Okay, both side. Why both side? Now you will tell why both side. Because we know that one in equation what I will do in left part mostly we have to do in right part also. Okay, if I add left hand part we have to add this one in right hand part also. Okay, that is the step. Now I will do the calculation. Here x minus 1 already given, we have to do the plus 1, add 1 left hand part also will be right hand part also. Okay, so what will be the answer? Plus 1 and minus 1 will be vanished, then only x value what will be? 0 plus 1 will be only 1. So what is the answer of the variable? Is x equals to 1. So 1 is the variable of the equation. Okay, it is clear. Then another equation is what? That is y plus 4 equals to minus 4. Okay, that is also in the equation. What is the variable? Y is the variable. So now we will find the y value. Okay, so y value extra is what? Plus 4. So we have to clear the plus 4 for getting the y's value. So here plus 4. Which one? Addition having this number. If I do the subtraction, so plus 4 and minus 4 will be vanished and 0 will be. So only y will be the answer. That's why what will be the step for the equation? Step will be that one addition having. So we have to do the subtraction. Subtract 4 on both side. Okay, what is the step? That is subtract 4 from both side. Okay, now I will do that was y plus 4 subtract 4 on both side. Okay, on both side. So see here plus 4 and minus 4, that one same number but with different sign. So that one will be vanished. So what will be the answer? Y equals to minus 4 and minus 4. See here same sign having. When our same sign will be, then we have to do the addition. Okay, so addition 4 plus 4 is what? 8. 4 plus 4 is 8 because here same sign having. Now I will put the which sign? Which one is bigger? Here both are same sign, so minus will be the sign. Okay, so what is the value of the variable? Y is the variable and its value is -8 for solving the equation. Okay, so like that process we will find the question number 1 all answer.
Question number 1, second part is x plus 1 equals to 0. I will find the answer. See, here written x plus 1 equals to 0. So I will remove the plus 1 for finding the value of x. X plus 1, opposite is -1, here also -1. So answer will be x equals to -1. Okay, then question number C is x minus 1 equals to 5. So I will remove the -1, opposite is +1. So both side I will do add 1 on both side. So x minus 1 plus 1, and in this side 5 plus 1, x equals to 6. That is the answer. Then C after that is the D. D means x plus 6 equals to 2. I will remove the plus 6. So I will do the subtraction on both side. Okay. So x minus 4 will be answer. Then y equals to -4 equals to -7. Extra part is -4. I will remove the -4. So what I will do, opposite of -4 is add 4. To add 4 on both side. Y minus 4 plus 4 equals to -7 plus 4. Answer will be y equals to -3. Then the next is y minus 4 equals to 4. Minus 4 opposite is plus 4. Means we have to do the addition. Add 4 on both side. Y minus 4 plus 4 equals to 4 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Y equals to plus 4. 4 plus 4 it is 8. Okay, then that is the G. Y plus 4 equals to 4. 4 plus 4 opposite is subtraction 4 on both side. Y plus 4 minus 4, in this side also -4. So y value will be 0. Okay,
Thus question number 2 is A1. Okay, so that is the equation is what? 3L equals to 42. Here variable is L and its extra part is what? 3. For finding the L's value, here 3 is multiplication. Okay, so only find the L value. Here multiplication, I will do the opposite of the multiplication is division. Okay, and which one I will do in left side, that one must be will do on right hand side also. So what will be the step? First step will be, here multiplication having, so opposite of the multiplication is divide. So I will write here divide. I will write here divide 3 on both side. Okay, it is the step. And how will be the calculation? 3L divided by 3 equals to 42 divided by 3. Okay, then what will be the answer? 3L divided by 3 equals to L, and what will be answer? 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, so L is the 14 is the value of the equation. Okay students, then next question is what? That is b by 2 equals to 6. In this equation, which is the variable? B is the variable. So I will find the b's value. Okay, see here here b by 2. B by 2 means that is b into 1 by 2. B by 2 means b into 1 by 2. Here multiplication having. So only find the b's value. What I will do the step? Separate the variable. For separate the variable, I will do here multiplication. So opposite the multiplication is division. Okay, so I will do here what? Here by 2. By 2 means what? B upon 2. Here by 2 means division. So I will do here step will be b by step will be multiplied. Here by means division. Opposite of the division is multiplication. Okay, multiplication 2 by both side. Okay, so you will write b by 2 into 2 multiplied by both side, multiplied by 2 on both side. So b and b will be cutted and 2 and 2 will be cutted, and b's answer will be 6 2s are 12. So b's answer will be 12. Okay, that is the multiplication. I will find the answer with the step is multiplication. If I write that one, b by 2 means that is That is the extra process. B by 2. B by 2 means what? Now I tell B into 1 by 2. Here multiplication having. If I do here multiplication, opposite the multiplication is division. If I do here step is multiplication is divide. So I will write divide half on both side. On both side means I will divide by half on both side. So see here B by 2 I will divide the half, and 6 divided by half also. So here will be half like that, B by 2, and here division, opposite multiplication, and half reciprocal is 2 by 1, and here also will be 6 into reciprocal part is what? 1, 2 by 1. Okay, so 2 and 2 will be cutted, and B, so 6 2 is 12. In this process also my answer is B equals to 12. Okay, so that is like that process you have to find the answer. Then last question is what? That is 20t equals to minus 10. For this equation, which is the variable? T is the variable. Okay, so I will find the t's value. Okay, I will find the t's value. So separate the variable. When I will separate the t, here 20 is extra. Okay, so I know that one 20t means 20 into t. So here multiplication having, we know that one the opposite form of the multiplication is division. Okay, so step what will be? Divide. Okay, step what will be? Divide both side by 20. Okay, so what I will do, that is equation will be 20t divided by 20 equals to minus 10 divided by 20. Okay, here both side having, so we have to do the divided by the 20 on both side. So what will be the answer? 20t divided by 20 is t, and here minus 10 divided by means that is upon. So I will write 10 minus 10 upon 20. Okay, so 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So what will be the answer of t? T will be minus 1 by 2. So what will be the answer of the t? Variable answer is minus 1 by 2 is the value of the equation.
Question number 2, second question is b by 2 equals to 6. I will find the answer. That is b by 2 equals to 6. So that is the by 2 means divided by 2. Opposite of divided by 2 is multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2 on both side. B by 2 into 2. In this right side also 6 into 2. So 2 will be vanish. Then b equals to 6 to the 12. Then second is p by 7 equals to 4. So by 4 opposite is into 7. By 7 opposite is into 7 on both side. Then 7 vanish. P equals to 4 7s are 28. Then d1 4x equals to 25. So 4 here, 4 times x means 4 multiplied by x. Multiplication division, opposite is division. 4x divided by 4 equals to 25 divided by 4. So 4x by 4, 4 vanish x, and here 25 by 4. So it is the improper fraction. We have to find here it is as a mixed fraction. So 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. So 6 1 by 4 will be answer. Then the next portion 8y equals to 36. 8 is multiplied, opposite is divided by 8 on both side. 8 will be vanished. So y equals to 36 by 8. Simplest form will be, at first I will do it is improper fraction though. So the mixed fraction will be 4 by 8. 4 by 8. Then I will do the simplest form. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So 4 1 by 2 will be the answer. Then the next portion is z by 3 equals to 5 by 4. Here also by 3. Opposite multiplied by 3. 3 will be vanished. The z equals to 15. 5 by 4 into 3. Okay. So 5 3s are 15 by 4. It is also improper fraction. Mixed fraction will be 3 by 4 answer. Okay, then g1 a by 5 equals to 7 by 15. The a by 5, by means opposite is multiplied by 5. So a equals to 7 by 15 into 5. So here simplest form will be 5 1s are 5 and 5 3 is 15. Then 7 1 is 7 by 3. It is also improper fraction. Then it will be mixed fraction. Mixed fraction how will be? Means 7 divided by 3. So 3 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. So 2 will be here and denominator always will be 3 and 1 will be upper portion. So 2 1 by 3 it is the answer. Okay.
That is question number 3. Question number 3's first question is that is 3n minus 2 equals to 46. Okay. So it is also same process. I will solve the equation, but it is the hardest before the question number 2. Up to question number 2 is like that equation I already solved. 8y equals to 36. Only variable one digit multiplied or division that one having. How I solve that one? First, that is 8y means what? 8 into multiplication having. So the opposite of the multiplication is division. So what is my step? Step is division. Divide by 8 on both sides. Like that I solve the equation. See, same process also I will solve this equation. In this equation, variable is what? N is the variable. With the variable, many things, 3 multiplied by a variable also and 1 minus 2 also having. So for separate the variable, at first I will do what? Here subtraction 2 having. So at first I will clear this part. Okay, that is minus 2. So what is the opposite sign of the minus? That is addition. Okay, so our first step will be step number 1. What will be? Add 2 on both sides. Okay, that is the first step. Add 2 on both sides. So what will be the equation? Equation will be 3n minus 2 plus 2 equals to 46 plus 2, because add plus 2. Okay, then next, so what will be the answer? 3n minus 2 and plus 2 will be vanished and your answer will be 48. Okay, then see, in this equation, variable, with the variable 3 is multiplied. So what is the opposite form of the multiplication? That is division. So step 2 will be, what will be? Opposite of the multiplication is division. So I will write divide 3 on both side. Okay, which number is having? That one I will do the opposite. Multiplied by 3, opposite is divided by 3. Okay, so what will be the equation? 3n divided by 3 equals to 48 divided by 3. Okay, then what will be the answer? N. 3n divided by 3 equals to n, and 48 divided by 3 is 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18. Okay, so what will be the answer of the variable? N. 16 is the answer of this equation. 16 is the answer of this equation. So like that process I will find the all answer. Okay, then again I will discuss the another example. Okay, next example is what? That is question number 3 is D1, that is 3p by 10 or 3p upon 10 is 6. Okay, so I will separate the variable is p. In this equation, variable is p. So see, in this equation, left hand side, here 3 is multiplied and 10 is upon 10 means what? 10 is divided. At first, step 1, what I will do? Step 1 will be here upon 10. Upon 10 means what? That is division. So opposite of the divided by 10. Opposite of the divided by 10 is multiplied by 10. Okay, so I will write here multiply by 10 on both sides. Okay, so opposite the divided by 10 is multiplied by 10. So what will be the equation? Equation will be 3p by 10 multiplied by 10 equals to 6 into 10. What answer will be? That is 10 will be cut and 3p equals to 16. Okay, so up to that one, in the equation in the with the variable 3 is extra, that is multiplied by 3. Now you tell opposite of the multiplied by 3 is divided by 3. So second step what will be? Step 2 will be multiplied by 3, opposite is divided by 3. Divide by 3 on both sides. Okay, on both sides. So equation will be 3p divided by 3 equals to 60 divided by 3. So answer will be p, and here answer will be 20. Okay, so p's value is what? P's value is 20. So 20 is the value of the equation, and like that process you have to separate the variable. Okay, then now I will discuss the question number 3, all answer.
Question number 3, second question is 5m plus 7 equals to 17. Now we will discuss the answer. Question number 3, second one, 5m plus 7 equals to 17. Okay, so here plus 7 extra, plus 7 opposite is minus 7, and you will write here subtract 7 from both side, 17 minus 7 also. So 5m plus 7 minus 7 vanish, 5m equals to 17 minus 7 is 0, 10. Then 5m equals to 10. 5 multiplication, opposite is division, divided both side by 5. Then 5m divided by 5 equals to 10 divided by 5. So m equals to 2 will be answer. Then the question number 3 is third one. Third one is 20 p by 3 equals to 40. Okay, step 1 what I will write here, 20 p divided by 3. Divided by 3, opposite is multiplied by 3. So on both side will be multiplied by 3. Then 3 will be vanish, and 43 is 120. So 20 p equals to 120. Okay, then 20 is multiplied, opposite is divided both side by 20. So 20p divided by 20 on both side. Okay, 20 by 20 vanish, then p equals to 120 divided by 20. How will be? 0 0 vanish, 2 6 20. So p value will be 6. Okay.
Now the question number 4 is, that is solve the following equation. First question is what? 10p equals to 100. Okay, so that is also same process, means like question number 1 2 3, like that I will find the answer, but here no needed for writing the steps. Okay, only I will find the equation. Okay, I will find the equation values. Okay, so here 10p equals to 100. In the equation variable is p, so I will find the p's value. So extra part of the variable is, that is 10 multiplication, multiplied by 10 by p equals to 100. So what is the opposite of the multiplied by 10? That is divided by 10. So I will write here, so I will write 10p divided by 10. Okay, so that is multiplied by 10, opposite is divided by 10. I will do that is on both side. Okay, always I will do on both side. Then what will be the answer? 10p divided by 10, answer is p. Okay, and 100 divided by 10 is 10. So answer will be p equals to 10. Okay, then again also, then I will discuss another question, that is 2q plus 6 equals to 12. Okay, so I will find the variable value. Which is the variable of the equation? That is q. Q is the variable of the equation. So in the left part with the q, here 2 is multiplied and 6 is add, plus add. Opposite of the plus add is what? Minus add. So what I will do? I will do the minus 6 at first. Okay, so here no needed for adding the step, only I will solve. Plus 6, so plus 6 opposite is what? Minus 6, and that one I will do on both side. Okay, which one I will do? Left hand part, that one must be you will do on right hand side. Then what will be the answer? That is 2q. So plus 6 and minus 6 will be vanished, and only will be 2q. 2q equals to what? Here see, here opposite sign having, that is plus and that is minus, opposite sign. When opposite sign, I will do the subtraction. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now I will have to, I will take the biggest number sign. Biggest number sign is, that is plus 6. Okay, then what written? That is 2q equals to plus 6. Now we see with the variable 2 is multiplied. 2 is multiplied. Multiplied by 2, opposite form is what? Divided by 2. So what I will do? 2q divided by 2 will be on both sides. Okay. So what answer will be? Here will be q and here will be 3. So the value of the variable is 3. 3 is the value of this equation, and like that process you have to solve the equation. Now I will discuss question number 4, all question answer.
Question number 4, second question is what? 10p plus 10 equals to 100. Okay, see here I already write the answer. 10p plus 10 equals to 100. Plus 10 opposite is minus 10 on both sides. So answer is 10p equals to 100 minus 10 is 90. 10 here multiplication, opposite is divided by 10 on both sides. 10p divided by 10, answer is p, and 90 divided by 10 equals to 9. So p value is 9. Then second one is what? P by 4 equals to 5. By 4, opposite is multiplied by 4 on both sides. 4 vanish, p equals to 5 4 ja 20. Then next is minus p by 3 equals to 5. By 3, opposite is multiplied by 3. Okay, so 3 vanish, 5 3 ja 15. Minus p equals to 15. Here minus p, I will find only the value of p. So minus here extra having, again I will multiply it by minus, because minus is a plus, and minus 15 answer will be the p's value. Okay, then I am going to the next portion, that is 3p by 4 equals to 6. 4 is by, opposite is multiplied by 4 on both sides. 4 vanish, 3p equals to 6 4 ja 24. 3 is multiplied, divided by 3 on both sides. So 3p divided by 3, answer is p, and 24 divided by 3, answer will be 8. Okay, then the next question is 3x equals to minus 9. 3 is multiplied, so opposite will be divided by 3 on both sides. 3x divided by 3, answer is x, and minus 9 divided by 3. So plus minus the minus, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So x value will be minus 3. Then the next portion is G1. 35 plus 35, sorry, that is 3s plus 12 equals to 0. 3s plus 12 equals to 0. So plus 12, opposite is minus 12 on both sides. 3s equals to, here will be 0 minus 12 is minus 12. 3 is multiplied, opposite will be divided by 3 on both sides. Answer is s equals to, here also minus, here plus. Plus minus the minus, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. S value will be minus 4. Then h1, 3s equals to 0. So 3 is multiplied, opposite will be divided by 3 on both sides. So 3s divided by 3, answer will be s, and 0 divided by 3 equals to 0. Okay, then I1, 2q equals to 6. So 2 is multiplied, opposite will be divided by 2 on both sides. Q value will be 3. Okay, then the h1 will be 2q. 2q minus 6 equals to 0. Minus q, both side will be plus q. So 2q equals to 0 plus 6 is 6, and 2q divided by 2, because 2 is multiplied, both side will be q equals to 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. Then j after it is k. 2q plus 6 equals to 0. Plus 6, opposite is minus 6 on both sides. So 2q equals to minus 6. 2 is multiplied, opposite is divided by 2 on both sides. 2q divided by 2 equals to q, and that is the answer will be q equals to minus 3. Okay.